In this tutorial, I have shown how to make this very cute clay pebble art on MDF board. For this project, I have used MDF board, Fevicryl molded air dry clay and acrylic colors. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Hi, I'm Shobori from Hooked in Loops. Welcome back to my channel. So let's begin. So we are using an MDF board, and at first we will use a primer. So for that I'm using gesso color. So use a white colored gesso on top of the MDF board and cover it up with a paint brush in this manner. And after that, just let it dry out completely. Work has dried up completely. Just draw the outline of your painting. Now we will take the Fevicryl molded air dry clay and mix the ingredients together to form a white colored dough. We will make small pebbles out of the clay dough and stick them on top of the face of the cat and as well as on top of the face of the little girl hanging from the tree branch in this manner. We will let our work to dry completely for 3 to 4 hours. After drying and hardening of the clay, we will start painting on our work. So the paint on your work based on your imagination. Use the colors as I have done, or you can use your imaginary colors. Okay, and enjoy this process of painting, and I will meet you at the end of the painting. We will add few extra detailings to our painting and then it will be ready in no time. So this is our final result, and please comment in the comment section whether you like this. I have drilled 2 holes on top with the help of a driller, and now I'm attaching a string through these holes, and our wall hanging is now ready to be used as a room decor. I hope you like this tutorial and it was easy for you to follow. If you like this tutorial, then please hit the like button, comment in the comment section and subscribe to my channel.